Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Facebook comments not showing problem. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get start. First check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And go to your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on apps option. Tap on search bar, search for Facebook. Tap on Facebook. Tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache and clear data. Delete. Okay, go back and now tap on the permission option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar, allow back, and call logs, allow back, camera, allow back, and contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, turn on notifications, back, and phone, photos and videos, always allow all. Okay, back to home screen. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for Facebook. Tap on Facebook update and update your Facebook app to the latest version. My Facebook app already updated. Okay, done. And open your Facebook app and check your comment, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.